Hey guys, it's Ella and welcome back to the channel. Today I am on the brand new Disney Destiny and I wanted to give you guys a tour of our room, which is 11500. This is a Concierge Oceanview Stateroom and it might be one of my new favorite rooms just because of this view. Look at this. Isn't this stunning? We are currently at sea and it is just gorgeous. Like, look at how massive these windows are. We've been staying in this room the past couple of days and I have just loved it. We've just been able to like sit and hang out, and these chairs do swivel, so then you can look right out into the ocean. So you can just sit here, hang out. You can fit so many people that could just like sit, hang out, sit in the chairs, all just talk and look at this stunning view. You also have curtains, so you have like your sheer ones and then the privacy ones. And to shut them, all you do is just use the button. And then it closes the whole thing up. Okay, but besides the view, this room is actually Incredibles themed. We've got some like Incredibles themed carpet and all sorts of different things throughout the room. It's very like modern with like a touch of the theming. This room does sleep 5 people. So we have the bed over there, we have these 2 beds, the sofa will like fold down, and then that one will come down and it'll make like a bunk bed. And then you have the Pullman bed, which will also fold down. I'll insert a little clip of it all pulled down at night. It is really cool because at the top of the bed, it actually has Hercules, which I love. It has like a little like quote from it too. It's really cool. And something I really like is it also has a bunch of storage. So it has a bunch of little cubes so you can store even more things. But then you also have this really big table, which is perfect. And it's actually perfect height to just be able to sit here or sit on the couch, and it fits a lot of stuff. And then on this side, we have our desk. We have a bunch of shelves, which I love. Perfect for like Mickey ears and anything you need. We got that on both sides. We have this big mirror with some light. Then we have our phone and even a little mirror. And then we also have a trash can on this side, this stool, which I just love the pattern on, and then a bunch of drawers. This one is going to give you some like information about the concierge lounge and your team and everything. And then in this drawer, you have a blow dryer, which is nice. So then if you forget it or don't want to have to bring your own, it's perfect. And then just 2 other drawers in here. We also have one more right up here to store even more stuff. And then a mini fridge, which they will stock fully for you with all sorts of different drinks that you want, from Diet Coke, Sprite, water, apple juice, all sorts of things. You also even have these really cool cups. Like, look at the blue. And then they also have a bunch of different outlets here. And then you do have a privacy curtain, which can go all the way across the room. And look at the artwork on the bed. Like, look at that. It's got Frozone, Jack, and like the whole family. I just think it is so cool. And you even have these pillows, which that one matches the chair that's over there. I really love the print. It's really fun. And then you do have 2 side tables. This one has like a lamp, a little reading light, and then you have even more outlets here and another drawer. And then on the other side, you have the same thing, a reading light, a lamp. You just have a bit different of outlets. You also have a big TV over here. And then talking about storage, there is even more in this room. So we have this whole thing, which has a bunch of shelves. And then you have 2 other ones. One that has a bunch of shelves at the top, and even some robes and slippers, a safe, and 2 drawers to pull out. So we have tons of storage in that one. And then the other one, you have your life jackets, a bunch of hanging storage, and then even some storage at the bottom to put like shoes and all sorts of things. And lastly, we have our split bathrooms, which is one of my favorite things because you have the toilet in here and a sink. You even have a bunch of different shelves too for even more storage. I love the storage in here. It's perfect because then you can store all the things you need. And then in the other one, you have your sink and your shower, and look at the mosaic on this. Like, look at this. It is so beautiful. I absolutely love it with like all the stars and the little mast. This you are not going to find in a regular ocean view or veranda. It's just Concierge. You also have a rain head and a wand and even more storage, along with they give you soap, which I personally like their soap, but if you want one in particular, then you might want to bring it with you. But they do have shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And again, you do still have a bunch more storage to hold all sorts of things that you need. You even have a full-length mirror right outside, which is perfect if you want to see your outfits and when you're getting ready. So I also love that. So yeah, that is a room tour of 11500. This might be one of my absolute favorites. Like, there is so much space. Like, it is way bigger than your typical ocean view or veranda room. It is so much wider. Like, look at this. So you guys are there, right? I have so much room to move around. Like, I'm all the way back here and I can almost have both of my arms out. It's so much space. I absolutely love it, especially if you have 4-5 people in this room. When you're getting ready, when you're just hanging out and want like a bunch of seating and space to put your suitcases, all of that, it is so nice. But yeah, so that is kind of just a little room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it and maybe found it helpful if you're staying in this room. We have a bunch of Destiny content coming out, so make sure to stay tuned for that. So please make sure to like this video and subscribe down below so you can follow along for more of our adventures, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!